Canvas Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Canvas Learning Management System Review. You can find product links in the description below for more details. Canvas, developed by Instructure, is a popular LMS designed primarily for educational institutions, but also adaptable for corporate training. It's known for its user-friendly interface, extensive integrations, and robust features that make online learning and course management seamless and efficient. Canvas excels in course creation and customization. Educators can easily design courses using drag-and-drop functionality, upload multimedia content, and organize materials into modules. The platform supports video, audio, and text, making it versatile for a variety of teaching styles. Additionally, Canvas provides rich assessment tools, including quizzes, assignments, and discussion boards, all of which can be automatically graded or peer-reviewed. A standout feature is its seamless integration with third-party apps and tools. Whether you want to incorporate Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, or video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Canvas makes it easy. Its open API allows institutions to build customized tools, ensuring flexibility for unique requirements. The mobile app is another strong point, offering students and instructors the ability to access courses, grades, and communication tools from anywhere, ensuring learning continuity. Canvas also emphasizes collaboration and engagement. It includes features like group projects, peer interactions, and real-time messaging to enhance the online learning experience. The announcement system keeps everyone informed, and the calendar syncs assignments and deadlines across devices, ensuring students stay organized. For instructors and administrators, Canvas provides powerful analytics and reporting tools to track learner engagement, progress, and outcomes. These insights can be used to adjust teaching strategies and improve course effectiveness. Additionally, its cloud-based design ensures reliability, security, and scalability for institutions of any size. The only notable drawback is that Canvas can seem overwhelming initially due to its wide array of features, but the platform's support and training resources make the onboarding process manageable. Overall, Canvas is an excellent choice for institutions and organizations seeking a modern, flexible, and feature-rich LMS. It's particularly well-suited for educators aiming to create engaging and dynamic online learning environments. Check out the links in the description to learn more about Canvas and how it can meet your educational needs.